Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Thursday, August 7th. Here are today's top headlines. Toyota's production engineering group is accelerating factory innovation through a strategic collaboration with Stratasys, using industrial 3D printing to rapidly create tools, fixtures, and prototypes. With access to a wide range of printers and high-performance materials, Toyota's North American operations are enhancing manufacturing efficiency, reducing lead times, and improving worker safety. Joby Aviation is preparing to begin final assembly of its first conforming electric air taxi aircraft for FAA Type Inspection Authorization flight tests. This milestone marks significant progress toward FAA certification, as Joby has met key requirements in testing, design compliance, and manufacturability, bringing it closer to commercial launch. Intuitive Machines has signed an agreement to acquire Kinetics, an aerospace company with over 30 years of experience in deep space navigation and mission design. The acquisition expands Intuitive Machines' capabilities in precision navigation and strengthens its position as a vertically integrated space systems provider for lunar, Martian, and deep space missions. Fly Group has opened its first retail store in Mexico City in partnership with local electric mobility brand eSolomo, marking a key step in its South American expansion. Under a new strategic partnership, the two companies will collaborate on market penetration, technology sharing, and building a local after-sales service network to enhance customer support.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.